Can you tell me what you're doing right now? What is that?
A breast pump.
It's a breast pump? What are you using it for?
On.
You have it on, but what is it? What are you trying to get out of there?
Look.
You even know how to turn it on and everything, huh? How'd you learn how to do that?
Grandpa taught me this.
Who taught you?
Grandpa.
Grandpa? It's funny. Does it hurt? Is it hurting you?
No.
No?
Who else does that?
Me.
Who else does it in this house? Hmm?
People.
People? What kind of people?
Does Grammy use it?
Yes.
Yes.
No. Who uses that?
Grammy doesn't use it.
Mama.
Why does Mama do it? For who?
For the baby.
What's the baby's names?
Look at it.
Luke and Logan, and who else?
Down.
Dylan. Very good.